I'm going to take you on a tour of the forest up here at Alta. It's very nice. Lots of spruces and subalpine firs.
That tree behind me with the Sleepy Hollow sign on it is a subalpine fir. And speaking of Sleepy Hollow, let's get down it and then we'll take a look at some trees. In the middle of the 19th century, settlers along the Wasatch Front started coming up the Cottonwood canyons to cut trees for lumber. By 1865, silver mining had started. The lumber and mining industries depleted the trees up here, and by 1885 there were very few left standing in Albion Basin. The area was left depleted for several decades. By the 1930s, the Forest Service acquired the land around Alta and started to reforest it. The Forest Service brought in a world champion ski jumper, Alf Engen, from Norway. Engen selected Alta as the best place for a ski area. With Engen's encouragement, the U.S. Civilian Conservation Corps started reforesting the area. The CCC planted Engelmann spruces and subalpine firs. I'll go back for just a minute to 1885. In February of that year, there was a massive avalanche around the town of Alta, burying the town in 50 feet of snow and destroying all but 7 structures. A lot of people believed that by restoring the forest, avalanche danger would be reduced. Of course, avalanche danger is an ongoing thing to manage here. Let's take a look at these 2 nice Engelmann spruces. These are 2 pretty big trees, but there are much larger ones around the Cottonwood canyons. Anyway, I wonder if these were planted 90 years ago. It's not a thick forest, but there are some nice stands. It's fun to whiz through the forest on a pair of skis. Let's take a look at this stand. I think we're going to find a mix of spruces and subalpine firs. You can see a spruce on each side of the stand, and as we zoom in, we see a subalpine fir. The subalpine fir has shiny bark with lots of resin blisters. The spruces have scaly bark. This winter, the snowpack didn't get very deep up here, and it's melting fast. We'll see how all these trees do this summer. That's the end of the run. We saw the spruces and the subalpine firs. There's one more tree I'd like to tell you about. The other kind of evergreen up here is the limber pine. They like to grow on craggy spots, like this one. Here's a closer look. Limber pines thrive on these steep, rocky spots. There we have it, Alta's restored forest: spruce, fir, and pine.